All right, everybody. I apologize for being late or really early, depending on your perspective. Seriously, though, I had planned on getting a video out earlier today for a trade that was setting up, and I just got caught up on the phone. And again, that's something that I've got to adjust to personally as far as trading and getting these videos out for you. But if you remember from the weekly wrap, I was talking about how last week's high was going to be important. You can see that the high was challenged right away on Sunday morning. So as I was pointing out in the weekly wrap, it does look like the market is starting to build some momentum to the upside. Although as we start drilling down to the daily charts here, you can see that we still have quite a ways to go to get to resistance. So although we may have the market pushing up, you've got to realize that this 99.50 area is going to pose some issues for the market. Let's go ahead and get right down to it. The trade that I was tracking earlier today was based on this rather messy flag pattern here. And really what I was seeing, and I was on the phone with one of the members, Mark, when I was watching this. If I go down to a 15-minute bar, you can see that the market came down and found resistance or support here. You can see that the market once again tried to push down with momentum right here. Now, when Mark and I were talking, the market was sort of floating around in this area, and it was bouncing up and down. So it really wasn't going a whole lot of anywhere. But what I pointed out to him was, based on the momentum of the market pushing down, this area looked like a good buy point simply because during the peak volume times, I mean, this was right at 9 o'clock, they tried to push the market down through support and they couldn't get it. And in fact, the market came back very, very strongly here. So you could see that the market was building some support. You can see that there were probes into this area as the market was pushing down, and it just couldn't break this level. So what I told him was, I would feel comfortable going long, but if the market broke below here, which is about 9,800, then I would probably think about getting out, even down around 97, 90, or that area as it started breaking down. And you can see here that the market did manage to push up coming out of that. Remember, the 11 o'clock a.m. to 11:30 hour is when the London traders are getting ready to go to the pub. That's right in this area here. So you can see that there were several attempts to push the market down and it just couldn't hold. So you can see the market has rallied a bit. There are